Hi everyone, and welcome back to my garden. Thanks for joining and thanks for subscribing. So in this video I'm going to show you how or show you ways you can grow your pineapples and your blueberries. So I've collected eggshells from after we've used our eggs and lemon cases as well. Basically after I've done my lemon water, I saved them. So I'm just going to compost the eggshells and the lemon skins, and I'm gonna saturate them with water, making sure they're saturated, and then I'm gonna show you steps of how you can germinate these seeds to plant and to get fruits all year round. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down below, because when you comment down below I can respond, then we can create a dialogue so it feels like we're having a conversation. So let me know what you think about this video, and if you've tried this before. If you have, please send me in pictures and stuff. I'll leave my email in the description box, and you can send me stuff in as well, and I'll forever be doing gardening, I forever be doing cooking, and I forever will be doing nails. Those are my three passions. Also, I've got another passion, but I'm gonna bring that to you on a different video basis. It's all about Nicholas Salmon, getting to know me, and this is what triggers me, and this is what makes me go, or sets me on fire. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm just opening the blueberry and I'm placing the seeds in the compost. But what I've done is that although you see me just taking it out and putting it straight in the compost, I'm actually wiping the jelly bit off, and you'll see me rubbing it off in the dirt as well. So I'll be doing that to try and see if I can get the seeds to blend well with the soil and germinate without the casing on. So I'll do that in the eggshells and the lemon. So I'm just experimenting to see what method works, and you can see the journey as well, because I've tried cutting the pineapple head off. I'll show you an image in down there, and I'm not sure if they're growing yet, because I can feel like when I tug on it, it's not coming out. So I'm gonna leave it and see if anything shoots from it. But I planted 3 heads of pineapple, so we'll see if that comes. But in the last of this video, like the last clip, I peeled the pineapple and I found 2 seeds. Unfortunately, I lost 1. So in the end of this video, you see me adding the lemon skins with compost and the pineapple to that. So we are gonna germinate these, because I'm gonna put the lid back on. Really excited because we're having all this week has been really sunny and nice, and my babies and my seeds have popped and everything's growing, and I'm so excited. And guess what, I saved a couple tomatoes, so I'm really excited. That's another video anyways. I'll put the lid back on. I'll go from topic to topic because I get excited and I want you to share my excitement. Anyways, updated it. So we've done it the 21st of April, and we've got blueberries in here, and I'm gonna add the pineapple in this clip. So hopefully, well, not hopefully, I know these are gonna germinate, because I can see me having blueberries and pineapple in my garden. So thank you all for watching, and don't forget to comment down below, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also there is a notification icon on our page. You can click that so you won't miss another video from me. If you do that, then you'll always get new videos from me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon.